Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a Jupiter Red. Underneath there's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one does come with 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB Tex interior. Pano sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLA 250 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Set to all season floor mats and regular floor mats. Fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist. Memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Also included smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Also included is our convenience package, which is going to give you auto dimming mirrors, garage door openers. We've got our media display, rear view backup camera, hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This GLA has 16,442 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250, check out feldmanimports.com.